Hello and welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to permanently delete an Instagram account. So let's get straight into it. First, you want to log into the Instagram website. And from there, you want to go to the bottom of the page and click onto Help. And on this page, you want to go to Managing Your Account and then Delete Your Account. And then you want to go to How do I delete my Instagram account? And then click onto the Delete Your Account page, which is located just down here. And from here, you can now delete your Instagram account. So pick why you are deleting your account. You don't have to say, you can pick something else if you want to. And then enter in your Instagram password. And then once you've done that, click the Delete My Account button at the bottom of the page. And then click OK. And there we go, your Instagram account has now been removed. So you have now successfully permanently deleted your Instagram account. It's as simple as that. That's all for the video. Thank you for watching. Thank you for listening. I hope it helped you in some way. I will see you in the next one. Once again, thanks and goodbye.